Alright, so we're underneath the Ford 550, but you know, if you have a 250, the same issue. If you have a manual transmission transfer case and your light's stuck on, let me try and get this camera up in here so you can see. What happens is there's a little ball and socket inside this switch that gets stuck, and it's not hard to replace. So it's on top of the transmission. That's where this camera is, and can't see it. You can only feel it mostly, but it's pretty easy to get to. So if you have this thing, it'll get this switch out. It looks like this right here. So if you want to order it, have it ahead of time. The light stays on. What happens is this little ball inside here gets stuck up in it just stays up in there. So we'll pull the other one out real quick. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so if you look at it, the ball's kind of loose in here. And, you know, what this happened to me one time before. I just pulled it out real quick. And actually, when I got the new one's different. So, no good. So, I got to cross-reference the part number. But here's the new one I got. It's different. So, that ain't gonna work. But anyway, what happens is the little ball gets loose in here, or the switch inside gets stuck, and the little ball is just kind of moving around. You can shake it, and it's kind of loose in there, and it gets stuck, and then makes the switch just stay open all the time. So anyway, guess we'll just have to order one from the local supply. I tried to get it online, and that's what I got. So this is the part is different. So it depends on, I guess, what year you got, whatever. But if you have one of these things and your light stays on all the time, and you have it switched at a 4x4, it's probably that switch right there on the top of the transmission. It takes a 7/8 wrench, box end wrench. You can just slide it right over the top of it and work it that way. It's probably the easiest way to do it. The open end is a little hard to get it on. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys on the next video.